Hello, I have new video about Equinox actuator for the air or AC, same thing, but if I turn this knob for the cold and hot, the actuator sound, there's a sound on it. There's some like this, if you can hear it. The glove box, you open it, there's a nut over here, down here, so we push it inside like this, and then you can pass this one just like this. You push this one in, then you pull it out, and then there's a clip. You pull this out. I can't do it by my one hand, it's harder, but just pull it like this up and then come out. There's these clips, so they're over here and here too. So the actuator is down here. Now let me turn the knob and you can hear it. Here it is. So I think it's broken, so I need to replace it. So let me take it off. So there is a 3 bolts. One is over down there, one's down up there, down is over there, and I can't see down there. Oh, here's my tool. Can I see? 1/2-4. There's too many wires, so sometimes it'll be harder. Oh, over here I can't make it fit. So I need to find some other tools. The bolt is 6mm, but some tools different. I don't know why. But this one's 6mm. You can see it's harder, so I can hold it and work. So I'll be back. Take it off. So I need to buy this one. So the inside is heavy, the issue. Here over there I don't think there's issue, so I'll buy and I will be back. So I got the part. If you want the part number, I got from AutoZone. Here's the part number. It's not OEM. To open it with one hand harder. So same thing. So we're gonna put it back. It's harder. One hand working. This wire is harder. It's big, so it's harder to do it. Putting the screw up here is harder. That will be back. Hope you put it back. So I'm testing it. So there isn't any noise. So now it's turning. I can't hear any noise. It's a little bit noise, but it's not bad like the older one. So this one I can open it and see what's broken inside it. I'll show you, and then you put it back everything. Now I'll open this one. I already screw everything. So to put the top one is harder. So the tool doesn't fit down there. So you need to screw it by your hand. It'll be harder a little bit, but you make it and then after get it all the way, you can use the tool, otherwise it doesn't fit over here, the gaps too. But only have different tool, it'll be easier. I don't have different tools, so I use this. So let me put it back. That's it. Okay, so yeah, I'll open it and then we'll see what happened on this one. So I'm going to open it right now. Let me try to open it and see what's inside it. If I break it, doesn't matter, I don't need it. Yeah, right here it is. Nothing broken, but I don't know what the issue. Okay, I see. I found out the broken piece. It is this one, I think, over here. Nope. Yeah, but it's this one is gone. So because of this, if you found this one, you can replace it. I don't think it's nowhere you can find for this. Oh, there is another gear inside there. Inside here. I think that one is broken. Not sure. Let me try to bring it up. I think the whole thing had to come up. Okay, here it is. So I don't think so you can see this one. So the broken piece inside it. Here the broken stuff over here for this one. I think it's broken over here too. Not sure. Yeah, but so over here is not matching. It's broken too over here. Little bit. Only two broken. So this two is broken, that's why it's not going correctly. If you can see down here, where is the place? Ah, it's not over here. It's right here. So there is no any over here. It's broken. Okay, I found out which one. That's the issue. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.